All right, guys, what's going on? Today I had picked up well, not today. The other day I had picked up a motor, a 350 motor. It's carbureted. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I was thinking about getting like an old school truck, like maybe like a C10 or something. I don't know, or get like an old school to put it in. But you know, this guy that I know, said it was pretty. It was running and stuff. You know, it's a guy that I know. I trust him. He build cars and stuff. So build motors. So he had took this one out, and he asked me did I want it, and I'm like, yeah, how much? And he was like, man, just give me like give me $100 to come and get it or whatever. So couldn't pass it up. Take this off. Got it covered up right now. So 350 motor, I think it came out of an old school Camaro or something like that. Maybe like a 67, 68, 69, I'm not sure. But he said it was running before he took it out. I guess he finna do the LS swap or whatever. But me personally, I like carb engines, man. I like the old school. Just like stuck in my ways with it. Yeah, he got a yeah, took everything off. He said everything was running. So probably gonna get it rebuilt or something. Or if I can find an old school without a motor, you know, find one that just need a motor or something, I'll probably get that and throw it in there. But I just bought it for now. I mean, $100. I mean, to me that wasn't bad, so I just grabbed it. But I want you guys to leave in the comments, what I should do with it. Should I just like sell it, or should I do something with it? And let me know like what vehicle should I get to throw in there. I really want an old school truck to throw it in, but who knows? Just put in the comments below what you guys think I should do with it. Should I sell it, or should I invest in an old school vehicle, truck or something, car, and throw it in there? So yeah, that's that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.